Hooray, it's here. The digital kit, Tea and Roses, Memories of Mom. We're going to show that to you. Other items that are on sale and the items that you're going to want to follow along in this weekend's videos. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to the Messy Desk. And today is the launch or the debut of the new Tea and Roses Memories of Mom digital kit. And so I have it here today to show it to you. And it is 30 files. I might not have them all right here, but I do have at least one copy. They come in a regular format, and some of them are vignettes, so they are a little bit foggy or soft around the edges. They just look really pretty, and I have chosen to give you both of most of the pages. Some of the pages, one way or the other, they don't turn out looking great. So so some of them you don't get both, but most of them you get both. So this is a beautiful kit. It was made, the pieces I collected were I was going to be doing something with my mom, and so it is called Tea and Roses, Memories of Mom. Her favorite were yellow roses. She loved tea, and so this is what we have. And if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I put up a crafty video every day. Usually it's junk journaling. Sometimes it's other things, including store hauls. So if you like that sort of thing, please stick around. Don't forget that if you love this video, go watch another video when it's done, because YouTube likes that. And so let's go ahead, and for everybody else, welcome back. And here we go. So this is the collage page. Kind of gives you an idea of everything that you're going to find in this. It makes a great page. You know, if you ended up with an extra one of these, you could cut the pieces out as well. But I just think that's going to be a really fun page to have in your collection. So these were printed borderless. Okay, so I print my pages borderless. I'll show you some of them are printed with the border, so we might get something a little different. So we have this one here with the page, and so it has writing paper on the back. These are called side-by-side, so you get two pages side-by-side. There's another side-by-side, and another one with the broken plate. And so this is that the same as, yeah, this one we're going to pull out because I think it went through crooked. So there, that is what it's supposed to look like. So we also have a receipt that you'll find throughout. You have your big yellow rose page, and you'll be able to use it that way or that way, wherever you need. Some, you can even pull it up and make it into a pocket page if you wanted to. You get the mixed floral page. And now we are into the ephemera. Okay, so this is the mini ephemera page. You can see you get all kinds of little tiny ephemeras. And even the little ones like I like to use as stamps. Now this was printed borderless. I would not normally print this. I like my ephemera to be printed with a border. I was in a hurry. I forgot to switch it, so sorry about that. But when you do it with the border, then everything comes the true size that I told it to be. When you print it borderless, some of the things will pop off the top. Okay, so this page, yes, they're supposed to be upside down. I did it in case you wanted to do like a pamphlet, like a little booklet like this. Then both of your pictures would be in the right orientation. But you can also cut this and have them be booklets like this. So just to give you some, some variety of things that you might want to try. This is large tags, so you can see the mark here. So this time I did collaged tags, large collage tags. We've really had fun with the large tags. So this one is ephemera page. You can see that it comes across here, and these don't quite line up, but they are, it gave you more of the teapot there. Then we have this one. This is your postcards. And oh, hello, Lucy. Goodbye, Lucy. And here is, okay, so this is the small one, and it's, see that it's got its border and the tops are not cut off. So you can see that when you print it with the border, it's gonna come out better. But the other thing is this one is regular, and the other one has the soft, and it's also, this one's printed on white, this is printed on cream, but you can see the creamy, soft, and then these are the actual. Okay, so you do get both of those. Here's your other large tags. And then we are into the mini journal kit. So this is a mini journal kit, and I have one set up. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so your mini journal kit, you get 4 sections, or you can cut these and have it be ephemera, so it could be tags and things like that. But if you cut this into the 4 and cut this one into the 4, you have pages for a mini journal. And that's what we're going to be making this weekend in the videos that are coming this weekend. So if you have your kit, if you have earned it, or so if you earned it in the May Mayhem Junk Journal Challenge, or if you purchase it this weekend, and it is on sale, it's half price. As the launch price, it is 50% off in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. The link is in the description here. So the mini journal, we're going to print the mini journal kit. So you'll see one of your zip files is the mini journal kit. And so you're going to print both of these pages. And you're going to print one page of the ephemera as cardstock and one page as copy paper. And you're going to end up with some of these left over, but these make great cards to be able to use. And then these, if you're using, if you only can do one, do this one. But these are great for ephemera, to use it from the copy paper. So if you want to participate and hang, and follow along as I'm making this weekend, you'll want to print the mini journal kit. Okay, so you're going to print the 2 pages that have the 4. Okay, so these are side-by-side pages, or you can cut it out and use it regular. And these are side-by-side pages. And you're going to cut the mini ephemera, or print the mini ephemera. Okay, the other things that you're going to want to play along this weekend is some other papers, maybe a wallpaper if you have it, a piece of wallpaper that matches or is similar. I have pulled out these papers to use, and I haven't found a scrapbook paper yet to use with it, but I'm going to use a scrapbook paper also, a cardstock. So there is what I'll be using. 1, 2, 3. And the cardstock that I'm going to use is, it will be a little tiny print. Actually, never mind. We'll just use the wallpaper. Okay, so if you don't have wallpaper, then a tiny print that will go along with your with your kit. And here, this works with this. This doesn't work with it printed on the cream, but it does work with it printed white. So I'm going to be using my white print. And so we have 1, 2, 3 smaller pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 larger pages, and the wallpaper. So basically like 10 pages. Okay? So you'll want to have those. And then if you have some stamps, then pull those out. A stencil, pull that out. If you have other tea things that you've been wanting to use, you might pull those out as well. And so that is that. The other thing I'm adding into the shop today is these wallpaper packs. Man, I had these ready before Christmas, and I don't know how in the heck they didn't get put in. But they are the wallpaper that I've been using, okay? So, you know, you have a wallpaper roll, you get a lot of it, so I thought I would share. So you get 2 of my favorite. That's this cream off-white colored textured one. You get 2 of this one, perfect for Valentine's and spring. You get 2 of this one with the flowers and 2 of this one. So you get 8 of them. And those are in the Dear Julie Etsy shop under supplies. So if you've been wanting to have some wallpaper, and these were cut at, how about a ruler? Okay, so this way they are 9, and this way they are 12. So they're 9 by 12. So you can do 8.5 by 11 pages inside them perfectly. Okay. And if you wanted to do like the smaller traveler's notebook style size, you can cut these and have them. That size is, I use 9 by 9. Okay. So there we go. We have the wallpaper kits available in the shop, and the Tea and Roses kit is available in the shop, as well as, okay, I'm going to show you just a couple. The Courting Lady Jane. So this is printed at 3.5 by 5, but that's 4 of the pages from the Courting Lady Jane. For the ephemera pages, that's one of them. I'm running out of ink, so I only got to print what I could print. You've seen me, I've been using some of the pages and things in the purple journal that we're making on the live videos. So anyway, so that is also on sale for the weekend. And remember, this is 4 of the pages taken and printed at 3.5 by 5, okay? And you get them that size. But I wanted to be able to show you, 4 of the pages. You also get the story. Courting Lady Jane is part of that digital kit. So it is also on sale in the Etsy shop, 50% off. And so is the Valentine. All the Valentine is on sale. So this kit is on sale for half price. This is the Forget-Me-Not. And we also have the Romantic Valentine kit. Now, this was the very first digital kit that I made. And it is 2 files. You actually get it in JPEG and in PDF. But you get the backs of 4 postcards. And you get these fronts. And I'm again running out of ink. So it's not as sharp. I'm running out of black, which is the thing that makes things very, very sharp. Okay, and but they will come out very, very sharp. But I wanted to show you that you get the these were printed borderless. Darn, so don't print these borderless. Print them with a border. So you get Loretta, you get the rose, you get the cute little the little child here and the mother and the child there. Okay, so and there are videos of me using this and making several different things just using this right here. Okay, so all of those are, and that makes this $1.50. And so you, yeah, you get that. And then this one is on sale for half price as well, as is the Tea and Roses and the Courting Lady Jane. So I hope you'll go check those out and watch the videos this weekend. I will be using the Tea and Roses kit to make a mini journal. And most of the kits have a mini journal in them that you can make. And we'll be working with this next week. So if you want to follow along, you'll want to go ahead and pick those up. So yeah, so if you like this video and this digital kit, please give it a thumbs up. If you love this video, like I said in the beginning, go watch another one, because YouTube really likes that. And that's how they're rewarding us now, is by how long we keep people on YouTube. So thank you so much for being here. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.